Time for another full technical chart analysis with Sensei Crypto. This time, Herbalife, ticker symbol HLF. And now, on with the video.
Thank you, Martin. Yes, we've just got a request for Herbalife. I had a quick look at it and it's looking like it's a very interesting one which might have a high value, low risk area to be getting in right now. So we're going to do a full technical analysis. If you do enjoy the stock, or if you like what I'm doing, please do hit the like button and we can keep bringing you more information like this and keep you updated with Herbalife. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. I'd love to see if we can get 100 likes on this video, and we'll be back with an update. So Herbalife, we're going to just start out by doing the full technical analysis, and what that will mean is it's the first time I'm having a technical analysis look at the stock, so I'm going to be putting on all my trend lines with you guys, so you can see exactly how I'm doing this in real time. This was a request on my Sunday show, so we're doing it out and we're bringing it out as a video as well. So we're putting our trend lines at the areas that it has been contested in the past, and obviously at the all-time highs. So those are our horizontal trend lines, and then we'll put one down here. So currently it's trading at $7. It's been down quite badly this week, 21% down this week. We are going to have a quick look at the fundamentals here. This is wherever I was requesting it, and here is where we have the fundamentals. The intrinsic value, this is the software we use, Alpha Spread. The link is in the description to get a referral code, but base case, this is saying this should be a $36 stock. Worst case, this is saying this should be a $28 stock. That's saying it's 73% undervalued at worst case, and best case, this should be a $53 stock. We are sat at $7. You can see that with the revenue is in the billions, 5 billion, and it's very steady. It's not going down. The operating income starting to go up, in the future, and we've got the net income that should be rising. We've then got 2.8 billion in assets. The issue is we've got 3.9 billion in liabilities. You've got more debt than assets, which isn't what you want to be looking at. That's probably why it's been pushed down so much. And then when you look at the solvency score, it's 40, which isn't the best because of the long-term solvency is a bit worrying, and the profitability is pretty good. It's just the 3-year average ROIC, which is not looking brilliant. So overall, the fundamentals, obviously Martin can do a better analysis for you guys. It's not looking amazing, but that is reflecting the price. The Wall Street targets are all to the upside. Some are saying $8, some are saying $20. So everything is pointing, all the researchers are pointing for this to go higher in price. What are the charts saying? The charts is currently sat at $7, $7.86. This would be a buy zone for me because there's not too much lower it can go. I think the worst case, this stock drops 50%. And my mentality has always been when investing in a stock, it might sound silly, but if it can drop 50%, if I think worst case this stock drops 50%, then I'm happy buying it, because best case this stock is making, you can 2, 3, 4, 5x your money on it. So risk to reward. If the worst case is you lose half your money, but best case is you make 5, 10x your money, then that is always fine by me. And by worst case, I mean I would be buying more at $3. So I'm not going all in at $7. At $7 is my first buy price. I think it's a good area to be buying Herbalife. But just beware that if it does break through, just like it's done in the past, it can suddenly break through in a space of 2 weeks. It can be down 48%, and then it can try to go back up, and then it'll retest the trend line. It'll be down another 40%. But this is just opportunity, because you're having lower lows. Look at this. This is what this trend was so great. Lower lows on the price. This was in 2008. Lower lows on the price. Higher lows, and this is what we're trying to identify now, and that's why we're covering it now. Higher lows on the RSI, a classic bullish divergence there. It's giving you the go-ahead to buy at $3, and in a matter of a few weeks, this stock, in 70 days, you've doubled your money. In a year, you've 3x'd your money, and this went on to the best bull run that this stock has ever been on. You went from a price of $3 to a price of $40. And this is what we're trying to look for. We actually went from $3 to the price of $61. And that's what we're trying to identify again. $7, you do have a an area that you could be trying to get in at $7. If it does come down to $3, have some money on the side to be buying at $3. But this is making more money than it has before at that time, so it is more undervalued. $7 is this line in the sand. If it does break through $7, be prepared. It can come down to $3.36 very quickly. But if I had $1,000, I'll be putting $400 in now, maybe another $200 in at $5, and the rest I'll be keeping for $3.36. My levels I'm trying to be targeting will be firstly $12. I might be selling $200, $300 worth of stock. $20 might be selling half my position, $36 another half, and I'll be holding the rest for all-time highs. So if you did want to have a look, these are all my targets. These levels are important either for buying or selling. They're more low risk the lower you go, the higher you go, more high risk. So this stock for me is a buy right now, and that's Herbalife, and I'll be passing it back down to you, Martyn. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sensei. Always a great job. Thank you ever so much for your full technical analysis. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, and more over here and over here that I think you'll find useful. Join us up to 12 hours a day just underneath here for the extra channel. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each